When it comes to automotive art, few cars have ever achieved the timeless beauty of the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. Built between 1967 and 69, this masterpiece is more than just a car, it's a rolling sculpture that defined an era of elegance and performance. Alfa wanted to dominate the tracks with the Tipo 33 sports prototype, a purpose-built race car, but for that, it needed a street version to obtain the homologation number. And that's how the Stradale version was born. It is considered the pinnacle of design for Franco Scaglione, who penned the beautiful, aerodynamic bodywork. But he made it together with Auto Delta, Alfa Romeo's racing department, who already had a platform built for it. Unusually for those times, it featured a mid-mounted engine. The 33 Stradale featured a narrow front end with taller fenders where the headlights were hosted, one on each side. The entire front area could have been lifted up to expose the minimalist trunk that was mainly used to host the spare wheel. From its profile, the Tipo 33 featured a waved shape with a panoramic windshield and gullwing-type doors. Behind them is placed the air intakes for the mid-mounted engine covered by a sloped rear windscreen. A squared-looking vent released the hot air from the engine bay. Since it was built for street homologation, the car's interior had to be fitted with two sports seats separated by a center console that hosted the gear stick. Yet the automaker cared more about function than luxurious trims or fancy materials. As a result, metallic plates covered the center stack and part of the dashboard on the driver's side. The car embodied the golden age of Italian design. Its flowing lines, perfectly balanced proportions, and iconic butterfly doors made it an instant classic. Every curve was deliberate, every detail a testament to the pursuit of perfection. At just 39 inches tall, the 33 Stradale was incredibly low-slung, giving it a purposeful stance. The distinctive front grille, wide wheel arches, and curvaceous bodywork didn't just look good, they were aerodynamically optimized, ensuring the car's performance matched its appearance. Under the hood is a stunning 2.0-liter V8 engine derived from Alfa Romeo's racing cars. The 33 Stradale delivered 230 horsepower, a staggering number for the late 1960s. This meant it could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, with a top speed of 160 miles per hour. The interior was as minimalist as it was luxurious. Crafted with lightweight materials, it was designed to keep the driver connected to the road. No frills, just raw driving pleasure. But what truly set this Alfa apart was its rarity. Only 18 examples were ever built, making it one of the most exclusive cars of all time. Each one was handcrafted, ensuring no two were exactly alike. This exclusivity has cemented its place as a holy grail for collectors. Driving it wasn't just transportation, it was an experience. The roar of the V8, the precision of the handling, and the sheer beauty of its design made every journey unforgettable. This car wasn't just ahead of its time, it was a glimpse into the future of automotive design. The Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is more than just one of the most beautiful cars ever made. It's a reminder of what happens when art and engineering collide, creating something truly timeless. Do you think the 33 Stradale deserves its title as one of the most beautiful cars ever made? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive legends.